Part of the mantra of Fabrik and the culture that is this beautiful company is high style with heart, no attitude or sticker shock. These are pieces that you'll see walking around Richmond too, and the Richmond girl really represents a lot of what is on trend for the summer. She's edgy, she's cool, she's beautiful, she's comfortable with herself, and you don't see that style just coming and going. It's different.
Is gonna catch up with you. That attitude is gonna catch up with you. That attitude is gonna catch up with you.